Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing this really cute makeup look. I'm so excited. It came out so good, and I can't wait for you to watch and see what I did. I did describe everything that I did, and I'm going to list the products down below that I used, so you can follow along very easily. Without further ado, I'm not going to make this intro too long, but before we get started, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you feel inclined, follow me on Instagram, so we can be friends. I'll follow back. All that information is here on the screen and down in the description box. And yeah, that's all the announcements that I have to tell you. And let's get started. So, all right, guys. So let's go ahead and just jump right into the makeup look. First, I'm going to prime my face with the Milk HYDROGRIP primer. My favorite primer this year by far. Like, I use it every time I do my makeup. Every single time I do my makeup. Well, not every single time. I have tried the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I really tried to get into that primer, and I cannot. Like, it's not, I don't know. I don't know what it is. It just doesn't do anything for me. While that sits, I like to let that just like marinate on my face. I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to edit this part out because I did my brows before. So, see you when my brows are done. Okay, so I finished my brows, and I know I look crazy. I know that. You don't have to tell me. I already know. But it's all gonna come together, sis. It is. So I'm using a new foundation today, and it is the e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation in the color Caramel. Let's use a brush to apply it, and I'm using this LUXE 732 airbrush foundation brush. Let's pump it out of my hand first. I pumped a lot. I pumped a lot out on my hand. Like, what am I doing here? Okay. So I got the color Caramel because I realized that I am more neutral than warm or golden. So hopefully this goes well. To be honest, I like the color. I thought it was like pink, and it came on pink. I don't know if I like the finish though, compared to the foundations that I've been using, which have been the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. Oh my God. Oh my God. That foundation needs an award. Okay, first impression. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. The thing about it is it's not giving coverage for me. So I'm going to go ahead and do another pump on each side, or this is one pump for both sides, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do this motion, so maybe that'll give me more coverage. I use this brush, which is supposed to be an airbrush finish. I like that it's very airy. It doesn't feel like it's anything on my face. It's not heavy on my face, which I really appreciate. That's really, really good about this foundation. And then the color, I'm not mad at the color at all. So that's pretty cool. So my eyes are already set from when I did my eyebrows, and I'm going to go in with a blending brush, and this is the Morphe M535 blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with the color Burnt Orange. and go use that as my transition. Okay, and now that we got that transition done, we're going to move into Cypress Umber, which is this brown shade right there. I'm going for a brown look today, brown smoky. And I'm taking the same brush and I'm going to tap, tap, tappy. And these, if you've never had an Anastasia palette, please get one. And this one is a perfect palette because it has so many neutrals in it. And you can do a lot of different looks with this palette. So, what was I about to say? They're so pigmented. Their eyeshadows are so pigmented and powdery. Some people don't like that. I don't know why, but I like them. And I love Anastasia. Like, they make really good eyeshadow palettes. So, I'm going to be taking this color and just putting it a little below that transition and then to the middle of my eye. And then I'm also going to go ahead and pull it down here as well. Blend. And these shadows make it so easy to blend. Also, what I'm going to do is use some translucent powder to shape my eyeshadow. When you're putting the eyeshadow on, make sure you use the most eyeshadow on the outside of your eye. Like, when you start at the end, and then as the eyeshadow starts to fade from your brush, then pull it in so it won't be so heavy going towards the inner corner of your eye. Inner part of your eye, because we're going to do something with that. And we don't want it to be so smoky all the way out. All the way on your entire eye. All right, so now we're going to go into the color Rustic, and I'm going to be using this Morphe brush. It's a blending brush, and I'm going to go into the color Rustic, which is right next to Cypress Umber, and I'm going to use that as my lid color. So I'm just going to put that, on my lid and then fade it into the brown. And I'm tapping because I don't want to bring that brown all the way over to my inner corner. I want to keep it a little light, but I'm going to lighten it up a little bit with another color. So once I'm done blending that out, I'm going to clean my brush off and I'm going to go into the color Orange Soda just to brighten that up. Do I want to do that? No. I'm going to go into Burnt Orange and then put that there. Just right there. Just to brighten it up. Orange soda, and and burnt orange together and highlight. And I'm going to take this, dust it away. Okay, I'm back and my eyelashes are on, so I'm gonna give them a minute to settle in and get their shit together. And then while I'm doing that, I'm going to do my under eye. So I'm not gonna do anything dramatic because it is a very smoky eye and I don't want to look like a raccoon. So I'm just gonna take it's a Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH51 brush and use burnt orange and literally a doop of Cypress umber and do a little under eye action. If I'm a little off, it's because I had to get up from my desk and move. So yeah, lashes are on. And now I want to, I hope they're not lopsided. Now I want to smoke out my under eye a little bit more. And I'm going to take this e.l.f. waterproof gel eyeliner. And this is a really good eyeliner. And put it on. All right, so we're gonna blush a little bit and we're gonna take the same Neapolitan blush. I mean the Neapolitan bar that we used to bronze. And I'm only taking a little bit because I don't want to blush that much. And we're just dab, dab, dab. That's it. I don't want too much color. At all. And to highlight, I'm going to take that same Neapolitan whatchamacallit palette and highlight with that as well. And I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill JH14 brush. And I'm just going to... And we are done. I just need to do a lip. So I'm going to spray my face with the BAKERIE Sweet Grace Baking Spray. And for my lip color, I'm going to be taking this Juvia's Place lip liner in the color KOLA. So that's that. And then I'm going to take this NYX Butter Gloss in the color Madeline and put that on my lips. Just like that. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed coming to do your makeup with me or coming to see me do this really cute makeup look. I'm gonna close out this video and say thank you so much for watching. And if you did like it, if you can thumbs up this video, please. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.